Okay, good day. Today I'm going to show you how to convert the general equation of a hyperbola to standard form. Now I have here two examples. Um, we have 3x squared minus 2y squared equals 12, and the other one is 9y squared minus 16x squared equals 144. Now if we're going to match this to standard equation of the hyperbola, um, kailangan dapat yung ating standard form ay yung right side of the equation ay equals to 1. Ngayon, ito equals to 12. So all we have to do to make this equal to 1 is to divide all of the terms by 12. So we have 3x squared minus 2y squared equals 12. So I'm going to divide or multiply both sides by 1 over 12. Okay, so 3x squared divided by 12. We have 2y squared divided by 12. The other one is 12 over 12. Now, reducing this fraction to lowest term by dividing both the numerator and denominator by 3, we have x squared on top. For the bottom of the fraction, we have 2 divided by 12. The highest common factor is 2, so we have y squared on top, 6 at the bottom. We have 12 divided by 12 is 1. So therefore, this is now your standard equation of a circle. Standard equation of a hyperbola. Okay? And para doon sa second example, same procedure ang gagawin natin kung paano ginawa natin sa letter A. So, dapat maging 1 yung right side of the equation. So, therefore, we're going to divide all of the terms by 144. Okay? Divide all of the terms by 144. So, we have 9y squared divided by 144. 16x squared divided by 144 equal to 144 divided by 144. 9 and 144 both divisible by 9. So we have y squared. 144 divided by 9 is 16. 16 and 144 here both divisible by 16. So we have x squared on top. 144 divided by 16 is 9. 144 divided by 144 is 1. So this is now your standard form ng ating hyperbola. Now, if we're going to match these two equations sa ating equation of the hyperbola with center at the origin, ito ay katulad nung ito. At ito naman katulad ng isa. Okay. So, ang naging change lang talaga ay yung sign. Okay? Kapag ganito ang ating equation ng hyperbola, this is equation of hyperbola with center at the origin, and the hyperbola is horizontal. Okay? Kapag ganito. Well, the other one is an equation of hyperbola with center at the origin also, but the hyperbola is vertical. Ganun. Okay? So I'm going to give you the second example in converting general equation of hyperbola to standard form, but this time the center is located at HK. Thank you.